Do you want to create amazing AI photos like these with outstanding effects? Then you need to know more about lighting. This is a photography and artistic word that describes how light is used to show the mood and expression of an image. There are many types of lighting effects, so I decided to make a list of the top 110 of these to show you what you can achieve with the right words in your prompts. Just so you know, the images in this video were created with Midjourney AI, but you can use these effects on any AI art tool and you will get similar results. I wanted to make a detailed video explanation of all these lighting effects, but I thought the video will be too long, so I created a PDF version you can download. If you want the PDF version of this list alongside the explanations and actual prompts used, you should check out the link in the description below to download it. Now let's get into the top 110 best lighting effects you can use to create outstanding AI photos, which begins with cinematic lighting, light diffusion, light streaks, monochromatic, overexposure, lens flare, split lighting, freeze motion, hard light, fluorescent lighting, analog film emulation, bioluminescent, bokeh, beauty dish, laser lights, Rembrandt lighting, neon light, motion blur, softening filter, spotlight, silhouette, selective focus light, light projections, geometric pattern, luminous lighting, star lighting, intertwined lights, underlighting, strip light, threads of light, glowing dust, gradient lighting, dramatic shadows, glowing light, teal and orange, accent light, artificial light, accent lighting color, broad lighting, aerial light source, backlight, natural lighting, bottom lighting, ambient light, cast shadow, blue hour, blown out highlights, beauty dish grid, clip shadow, color backdrop, directional lighting, warm color filter, cool color filter, green screen, vintage/retro color grading, high speed sync, flood lighting, fog machine, edge lighting, diffused lighting, color rendition, cross lighting, low contrast, high contrast, washed out lighting, pastel lighting, high saturation, light leak, low key lighting, sepia tone, high key lighting, day for night, bleach bypass, HDR, LED lighting, softbox, golden hour, high speed lighting, haze, grid lighting, graduated filter, hair light, iridescent, rim light, practical light, reflected light, overhead light, light wand, long exposure, light trail, smoke machine, side lighting, shutter speed, soft and diffused shadow, hard shadow, ring light, holographic, particle lighting, wave light, layered light, prismatic beams, radiant lighting, sun rays, translucent, vignette, underexposure, top-down lighting, Gaussian blur, dramatic lighting, light rays. So that's the entire list. Don't forget that you can download the PDF version of this video below. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.